Alright guys, so what we got here is we're taking a trip to the go-karts. We're going to the go-karts. And like Southampton, South Hadley, I don't know where it's at. Not Hampshire Mall, but it's the indoor-outdoor karts. So it's gonna be 4 of us today. Last time it was 3 of us, now it's 4 of us. I'm gonna ride, you know me, Ryker and BMW. In the background, we got some Logic, Confessions of a Dangerous Mind, new album that dropped this week or last week. I like it a lot. I like it. So my mileage, we're at 1673 for my mileage on here. So exit 21 I'm going to, and I'm at exit 8. So highway run. I'm rocking my new Icon vest I just caught. Revzilla.com. That's actually where I get a lot of my stuff, is Revzilla. Just close my visor. Like my helmet I purchased on Revzilla. My helmet I'm using is the Cena Momentum. The regular one, not the light. So it has the 8% connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, dual multitasking Bluetooth, so I can like listen to music and do navigation at the same time. Like, I don't understand why it said you can do that. Like, my phone is doing that. I don't know, but yeah. I think probably next week I'm gonna do my first service. They're holding the bike with their hands. Pioneer Valley Transit Authority. That's the public. That's their new building right there, guys. Nice. I want to work there, actually. I wonder if they're hiring. It's a nice day out today. I didn't gotta watch. My girlfriend's gonna be mad. So what it is that my video settings is it's like 2.4K or something like that, or 2 point whatever it is, 2 point something K, and 60 frames per second. So it makes my videos 8 minutes long. I don't know if there's a setting I could change, or I should have probably put it in 1080, and then it would have made my videos longer. It would have made them 16 minutes. That's what usually happens. But this is my song. I like this song right here. Logic, Eminem. Ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare get to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all that it's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Could a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? No, this ain't a diss to the game, it's a gas to the flame. Nowadays, everybody saying the same shit's lame. Like I'm on to the flame, I'm a rhythm and a killer. Know you feeling lyricism when I'm spilling it, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, Bobby Bull, he been a man's brother like this can't be good for my health. When I rap like this, do I sound like shit? Well, it don't really matter cause I'm killing this shit. Yeah, I'm killing this shit. Oh yeah, I'm killing this shit. Bobby, how many times you been killing this shit? Find another round, goddamn, nigga shit. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way how we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villain, is he killing us? I'm coming for your man and this lady, you leaving the building. Hit them with that and they die. We gon' leave them crucified. We call this shit genocide. I got bitches, I got hoes, I got real designer clothes. No, we ain't fucking with that. Yeah, there's a time and a place, but if you ain't coming with the illest of raps, calling yourself the greatest alive, then you don't deserve to do that. No, no, oh no, no, please do not do that. You gon' get smacked. You gon' make Bobby attack. You gon' make Bobby boy snap. You gon' make Bobby boy snap. Bobby boy fuck rap. Hustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe. Ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm Slim Shady.
Like Jay-Z, jiggers up, you fuckers who didn't write anything. Are getting washed like like bathing. Young Hova, I know hitters like Yankees. Gun toters, the pull triggers like crazy. Unloaded, leave you shot up in your rover. Your body goes limping, slumps over like A-Rod in a month low, but he just homered. Hold up, I said rover because now your rover is red like Red Rover, so you know what I meant. But I broke over my opponents instead, making dog sounds. Cause I gotta keep breaking these bars down. Almost love for the spins, but when I go like the Doberman said, I still think the roof will go over your head. Tell the beast mode, motherfuckers about to get hit with so many foul lines. You think I'm a free throw? Figured it was about time for people to eat pro. You about to get out rhymes, but every deep throw.
Oh, fuck. So behind me in the black BMW is my brother and my friends that are going karting with me. But they probably want to see me riding. I wanna be famous.